Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have come up with another interesting story. It is rocks, pebbles and sand, or you can say the empty jar, our life jar. In short, I would say our life jar. So let's start. And there was this philosophy professor. He takes one huge jar to the class, and he keeps it on the table. The and he asks the class what it is. The class says it's a jar. It's an empty jar. So he said yes, it is. He picks up some rocks, some थोड़े बड़े rocks, and he puts it in the jar as much as he could fill in. Then he asks the class, "Ki, what do you all see now?" The class says, the jar which is filled with the rocks. So he says, "Is the jar full?" The class says, "Yes, the jar is full." और क्या करता है साइड से अगेन ही पिक्स अप सम स्मॉल पेबल्स छोटे छोटे पेबल्स एंड पुट्स देम इन द जार एंड shakes the jar. So the pebbles, wherever they get the space, they settle inside sides में wherever there are those loops, they go and settle down, and the jar is again full. The class says, yeah, the jar is full again. So what he does, are you sure the jar is full? Said, yes, the jar is full. He gets some sand, and then again he pours it in the jar. So sand जो होता है, wherever there is those gaps, so sand makes place and settles down, and he puts it up till the rim, and the jar. He says, now what do you all see? The class says, the jar is full. It is up to the rim, and is there any scope for anything else? He says, no, the jar is full. So he says, okay. So the professor says, now here I want to explain to you the metaphor of this story is that the jar represents our life. This jar is our life. Then the rocks here, which represent our very important projects in life, are and very important people, essentials of our life with which we cannot exist. It is like our family, our relations, our very close friends. Now all these things represent your rocks. Then comes is the pebbles. Now what do these pebbles represent? Pebbles represent important things, but not so important, like your job, car, vehicle. All these things come under your pebbles. Like they are important in our life, they are important in our day to day routines, but not so important कि उसके बिना हमारी life नहीं चलेगी. And lastly comes the sand, which are total time wasters. Those which I would say are those brands or your mobile phones. Mobile phones are important, but they are actually, if you go to see, we have to know how we are using it. So they are again those total time wasters. Those insignificant things which do not carry much importance in our life, but we tend to give them the most importance. So here the professor wants to explain to the entire class that in our life jar we have to be very mindful while filling the jar. If we fill the jar with rocks, very important things in life, we give time and value to the things which are of most importance to us, then we need not worry much about the pebbles and the sand. But other way around, if you see the counter side, if we fill in our life with sand and the non-essentials, things which are not actually required in our life, and we end up wasting more time, energy, everything. We end up spending most of our time and energy on these insignificant things, so there is very little room left for the important stuff. So we have to be very mindful. Again, I repeat that we have to be really mindful while we fill our life jar. Fill it with most important things. Take care of your health, your family, your close-knit friends, your very important essential stuff which without which life does not have a meaning, or without which we cannot survive. So we have to take care of that. We have to take care of our family. क्या होता है हम in doing all this, If the life jar is filled properly, if we devote more time, we spend more time with our family again and again, as I've always said, then we take care of our health, we do all the important stuff, we fill up our time, we utilize our time with all these essentials, all these important things. So then there is little time that we have for essential, less essential, and non-essential stuff also. So we can manage our time with all that, and we have time for other stuff also. So we do justice to our very important stuff as well. But on other way around, if we just devote most of our time doing non-essentials and spending time and wasting our time, so I think then there is very little time left to doing the important stuff. So then we are always lacking, we're always behind. We cannot do justice to everything. We can't do justice to our health, to our family. We tend to ignore the people who care most for us because of the shortage of time, because we are filling ourselves and our life and our time with the stuff which is not essential. So उसमें सी टाइम तो उतना ही है अपने पास. In those 24 hours, you know what all you need to do. Either you can spend it doing very important stuff, or else you can just waste your time. So it totally depends on you. So how you want to fill it. If you fill your jar with mindfully, with very effectively, so then you have room for other stuff as well, recreation also, enjoyment also, ease also. Then you don't mind wasting a little bit of time as well. But if you tend to just do waste your time, then you're always in a rush, you don't know what to do, you have always wasted your time. So the aggression bhi बढ़ जाता है, then you are not able to do justice. You are filling up with all the stuff which is not required. So make sure, friends, that whenever like every day, when we have to see to it that think that the jar, a life jar, very mindfully, very sensibly, we have to fill it with all the important things. Give priority to all the important things of your life, your family, your friends, your health. Take care of your health. Health is wealth. Today it is there. Tomorrow, if you do not take care, you do not know how much you will be able to cope up without a good health. So invest in your health, invest in your family, invest in your loved ones. Take care. Then you do your job. Just say a very short example. Like we think so much about the jobs. We are so worried कि मेरे जॉब का क्या होगा, but there is always another opportunity. You never know when the opportunity knocks. So prioritize again and again. I say prioritize your life. Make your life jar sensible and enjoyable. Thank you so much. Enjoy your day.